Very good. You will have to water it every day.
And why should we water it? What?
What happens is, Pari dear, trees make their own food with the help of sunlight and water. Trees can't make food. If we don't water them, will you starve this plant?
No.
So will you water it every day?
Yes.
Such a nice girl.
Pari!
Mom.
My dear girl, come to me.
Hey, gosh! Her hands are painted with mud. She will sully Neha's dress. Put her down first.
Mom is okay with that. Mom, what took you so long? I was bored.
Sorry, my dear.
She kept asking me since the evening, when will my mom come home?
I couldn't get through to you.
I had gone to visit your friend. There is no network on the way from there.
Put me down now. Put me down.
What happened, Pari?
You went there alone? You didn't take me there? I won't talk to you.
Pari, I had some work to do. I went there straight from work.
What work?
I will explain when we go in. Let's go inside.
Neha, take back your milk pot. You might have needed so many of them.
Pari, take this. Go home. I'll be with you soon.
Give it to me. Her hands are muddy. She will sully your purse.
See you soon.
I must speak to Pari before Neha speaks to her. Or else she might create troubles. Neha has gone to meet her neighbor and she won't be back soon. Here is my chance.
And hurry up.
Of course, here I am. Shh. Come here. What have you done to yourself? So much grime on your clothes.
It's just some mud.
I know. Dirty like beggars is what I meant. Now remember what I tell you. Buddy, don't hang around with these kids. Stop playing with them. Understand? You stay holed up in this tiny house all day. That's why you have to take so many injections.
Mom gives me injection because I have diabetes.
Oh, I know, dear. You know what? Now listen to me carefully. If you move into a spacious house where rooms are airy and big, then your health will get better. The kitchen back there is so stuffy. Your mom has to cook in that tiny kitchen for a little Pari. Such a small kitchen, huh? Even she feels like making delicious dishes for you. Then she must also dream of having a big kitchen, right? If both of you moved into another house in a few days, then
No, I won't move.
that won't do. Don't be so stubborn. Understand? If your mom tells you that you will move into another place, then you will say yes right away. You will pack your bags, pick it up, and just leave. Understand? No more answering back.
I won't leave Uncle, Aunt, Otis and Goody ever.
Why? Huh? Why? Listen, Pari. You don't understand this. I wonder how to convince you. You live in this tiny place and so you have to take injections. Huh? Didn't I tell you that? You won't have to take injection if you move into some nice place.
I'll take injections, but I won't leave this place.
Is this place made of gold? Huh? Made of gold?
If you don't like our house, then don't come back here.
Your uncle simply loved the kheer.
Everyone at work loved the kheer.
You are a great cook anyway. The kids in our building praised you to the sky. I can't even tell you how proud Pari was. She wanted to tell you about it.
But Aunt, I was.
Mom, Mom. Aunt, please switch on the lights. I'm very scared, Mom.
You are scared, right? Oh, there is darkness everywhere. What will Pari do now? Oh my goodness, what if someone creeps up on you?
Mom, please come quickly.
Someone's creeping up on you. Someone's creeping up on you.
Pari?
What is it? What happened?
Don't you dare scream. Keep quiet.
Pari? Light? Pari?
Neha!
What happened, dear? Don't be afraid. I'm here for you.
The light got switched off.
Yes. Yes, dear. Don't be afraid.
Neha, you know what? I switched on the fan, but then the lights went off. Something is wrong with your house. I couldn't find the switches. I rushed helter-skelter. I was confused when the lights went out.
Pari dear, don't worry. The lights are back now. Your mom is with you too.
Yes, this darling girl was so scared. Neha, you have made Pari delicate and weak. This won't work. I know kids can get scared when it gets dark, but she was crying her heart out. She shouldn't have done it. So when things get tough for her, she should learn to adjust with it, huh?
She's just a kid. She's afraid of darkness. What do you mean by tough situation?
What if both of them have to live somewhere else? This girl will go into a shell.
But why will that happen?
I don't know about that. And you know what? These days kids don't adjust at all. You understand, Aunt? We were not so wimpy when we were kids. Once I remember there was a power cut. I saw a cockroach crawling towards me. I just caught it and hurled it out of the window.
Dear me, how did you spot it in the darkness?
I meant felt its presence. What if Neha and Pari decide to live somewhere else then?
Why are you talking about leaving? Both of them are very happy here, huh?
Meenakshi, I've kept some milk for curding. Take your jar back.
Curd? Let me see. Wow, this curd is very thick. Very nice. From the milk in the morning, huh?
You are running late. That's your purse.
Yes, I'll get it. Pari is so wimpy, isn't she? Pari gets so scared. Oh, Pari gets so scared, isn't she? Henceforth, don't be afraid of the dark, okay? Your mom and everyone are with you. Right? I'll take your leave now. Huh? Bye. Bye-bye. See you, Aunt.
Neha, take good care of Pari. I think she got scared because of something.
Hello?
Hello, Neha.
Yes, Yesh. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, sure. I just wanted to say that we should talk very calmly with Pari. We should give her enough time to understand our point. She's my friend, so please take care.
How about some onions and then some potatoes? How about that? My sweet little girl. I'll be back soon. Dear, I'm not going anywhere. I'm right here. Okay. Sleep on my lap. Come on. Pari, Everyone loved the kheer, right? Aunt told me that everyone ate the kheer, right? You also loved it, right? Your friend also loved the kheer.
Mom,
Yes?
will he bring more milk tomorrow?
No, dear.
Why did he come this morning? Does he like me only for a day? Does he want me to be a stronger only for a day?
No, dear. He likes you a lot. That's why he is your friend. And now,
Does he like you too?
huh? He is my friend too, as he is yours. Now we don't fight anymore.
That's why you became friends.
Pari, can I tell you a story?
Hmm.
Once there was a beautiful town where a princess lived. The princess had a daughter, a little daughter. Her name was Pari. And then comes along a prince. The prince and princess becomes fast friends. They become good friends with each other. And then Pari and princess.
Mom, I don't want this story. Should we draw pictures? I'll do it.
What are you going to draw?
Mom, what should I draw?
Pari can express her feelings through this drawing. Pari, draw a picture of your family.
Okay.
You should also draw someone else who you think should be a part of your family.
Mom, you just said someone else, right?
Yes, what about it?
I don't want anyone else between us. I'm done. The picture is ready. That's a family. Mom, I'm feeling sleepy.
Pari, will it be okay if your friend is included in this picture? Pari?
Miss Neha, answer my call. It'll make my day. Hello, Neha? Hi, were you sleeping?
No, I was working. What
No,
is it?
you took a long time to answer my call. Are you busy?
Yes. Tell me, why did you call me?
I just wanted to know if Pari is okay. You were in a real bad mood last night, so all okay?
Yes, I mean, I spoke to her, but it was very brief.
Neha, tell me clearly, what's wrong?
Wait, I'll send you a photo.
Okay? Pari's made a beautiful drawing. Give Pari chocolate on my behalf.
Yash, look closely. That drawing has only Pari and me.
Yes, so what's the problem?
This is Pari's family, Yash. A new member can't be a part of our family. I just don't understand what to say, Yash. How do I explain it to her? What should I tell her? I really don't know.
What were you gonna tell her?
That this drawing is incomplete. We are making a decision here and I need her support. I don't want to force her, but
Neha, relax. I think you're getting ahead of yourself here. A little girl has made that drawing. You're reading too much into it. I know, Pari. Even if I'm not in this picture, I've earned a place in her heart. I'm sure about it.
I hope so.
Neha, Pari is a very sensible girl. If we give her enough time and explain everything to her nicely, she'll express herself. And I'm sure it'll be a positive response.
Since you are so confident, it might come true, but
Neha, why are you so confused? Sometimes you act like Pari, like a child.
come on, Yash.
Seriously. Childlike Pari, but just as cute.
Listen, I'm going to speak to Uncle Aunt about me. I wanted to tell them for a long time. I'm going to tell them today.
You should. We need our loved ones to support us. They're like family. We have to take everyone along with us.
But yes, you know, we have to speak to Pari.
I know you're finding it tough to talk to her. I'll drop by this evening and I'll speak to her. Relax now.
Okay,
Do you have any questions, doubts, or worries?
nothing. I have to do so many chores and I'm running late.
You're always in a hurry. But I guarantee the fact that the boss won't be angry with you. If you make my day.
What do you mean?
Means nothing. I just want you to give me a cute smile.
Can you see me if I smile?
You're right.
Hello? Did he get angry?
I've made this call only to see you smile. And I want to see Pari as well.
Pari? Who is Pari? Who is he talking to? I must go and tell Simi.
I just want to see you smile. I won't say a word. Wow. That's like it. You made my day. Now I'll get everything I want. Tell Pari I'm coming to see her this evening.
Bye.